helps create understanding of the world around us. It is an essential part of culture across the globe because it allows us to open our new ideas and experiences.
Visual arts, these artworks are perceived by our own eyes, which may be classified into graphic arts and plastic arts. Graphic arts have flat two-dimensional surface such as painting industry. It covers the commercial arts like design of books, advertisements, signs, posters, and other display for advertisements. And plastic arts are visual arts that have three-dimensional forms such as architectural designs, construction, or buildings. Performing arts, this includes theater.
Dahil may nakatakda ng nararapat para sa dapat.
Play, dance, music, and they involve movements, speaking, and gestures.
For literary and popular arts, it is important to note that the boundaries between literary and popular arts are not fixed, and there is an often overlap between the two. Many literary works achieve immense popularity and become part of popular art, while popular art can incorporate elements of literary merit and artistic depth.
Learning experience can be so far about the satori art. It refers to a type of arts appreciating beauty in terms of food. It can be called as food decorating or food plating. It is said that the eyes also eat, and so it is very important to not only prepare delicious dishes, but also decorate them. So they glad both taste and eyes. Food decorating opens great opportunities for creativity and imagination. Also in decorative art, I learned that arts or craft choose object in the design and manufacture of objects that are both beautiful and functional. It includes most of the arts making object for the interiors of buildings, an interior but not usually architecture.
Okelorokor are undoubtedly the most important to the Maranao, Maguindanaon, Arinon, Tausug, Sama, and Bajau, Mindanao. So, to these ethnic Muslims, the term Okelorokor means both of the art of sculpting or carving and a particular curvilinear design. So, internationally, this design is recognized as Arabic.
Students can get a better understanding of foreign cultures, people with different beliefs, and studying type of what they create.
Yawa po! Saan yun? Are not fake.
Mana ni kurog ng kamera po.
Matay.
Big arts.
Nakapon yung animal.
Bloopers!
Into